Hey guys, it's Jackie. Today's video, I remembered to plug in the microphone. Okay, anyways, so today's video, I thought I would switch it up and do a little hair tutorial because I also do stuff to my own hair. So today in this video, I want to show you how I trim my bangs. I've been like itching to switch something up, so usually when I want to just switch something a little, I usually end up just trimming my bangs, and that's good for like a month. So yeah, and then I want to show you how I make messy curls in my hair. So that is what I'm going to do in this video. Don't forget to check the description box. Down there you'll find my Facebook page and all my social medias. Also, you see I have a new background. Thank you to my good friend Christina. She provided me with this beautiful new background. So her channels are listed below. She has a discount channel, a discount vlog channel, and a just regular vlog channel. So if you want to, go ahead, check her out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, my channel, and hit that bell if you want to become part of the hashtag notification nation. So YouTube will alert you as soon as my videos go up. So, okay, now that we got all that out of the way, let's get started on this hair tutorial. So, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to comb down. You can do this wet or dry. I prefer to do it dry because I don't I prefer to do it dry because if I do it wet sometimes I do it a little shorter than I like. There's a mirror over here that I'm looking in case you are wondering. So first I take the part of my bangs that I want to cut, and I make sure that the part is even as I can get it, guys. I am not a hairdresser, not even close. This is just what I do to save money. Forget, I'm not gonna pay somebody to do this. I just wing it, do it myself. So that's what I do a lot of the times, is I'll just wing it and do it myself. Okay, so there's that. So you see how I got my part down. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my comb, make sure, and then I'm going to take it and I'm going to twist it and then twist it again. And that will help to create the layers, you know, so it's longer. You know what I mean, y'all? You know what I'm saying? Which can be hard to do when your hair is like mine is all different lengths because I fry my hair. And then I'm just going to take scissors and I'm going to go like this and see exactly where I would like to cut it. Move my fingers up to where I would like to cut it. And my fingers slid down again. And cut it. Boom. Not quite sure I cut that straight. And then I take, let's see how it kind of goes like this? Might be a couple pieces that I didn't quite get cut, but I'm going to take my scissors and I'm actually going to cut upwards just randomly just to make it look a little less blunt. You know what I mean? So I put this paper towel down here so I wouldn't get stuff everywhere and take a while to guess what's happening. And then I just kind of do that as I please. And that's it. That's what I do. See? And if you can tell, it goes like this because I twisted it. So, yay! We trim those up. Hallelujah. Okay, moving on to how I like, look at that. Look at how nice that looks. See that? Awesome. All right, I'm digging it, yo. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the hair tutorial part where I'm going to, I have a clip. In case you didn't notice, I just put it in my hair when I cut my bangs, but I have a clip. So I'm going to take that clip and I'm going to clip some of my hair up. Oh my goodness. Like that. I'm going to scoot this out so I can turn and you can see what I'm doing. I take my, this is a Revlon hair straightener. This is how I do my stuff, guys. I don't buy all these fancy tools. Although I do have a hair waver. Maybe I'll do a tutorial on that someday. Anyways, so this is my Revlon. And it has a setting. You can set the, I don't know if you can see, you can set the temperature. I do mine at 380. I know, it's bad. I have fine hair. And that's a little on the high side, but I find that the curls stay better when I do that. So that is what I'm gonna do. And I just grab pieces of my hair and I go to the top and I twist and I pull down and then I stop. And then I take it at the bottom. You see that? Oh, it didn't even do it. Hold on. Okay, so do you see how it kind of curls like an S? Oh man, that top curl's crazy. Let's straighten that a little bit. Okay, see, and that's another thing. You can go back in with your straightener and like if it's too like curled, you can straighten it a little and make it less curled. So let's do this again. Just grab some hair. You don't have to grab a certain amount or anything. At the top, just a little. And then at the bottom, I'll go the same way sometimes. And you see how it's like curled, but it's not a complete curl. You know what I'm saying? So then I will just go around my whole head and do that. And I'll just keep doing it all the way around. Like that. And then you turn. Oh! Oh, those bangs really are shorter than I intended them. Well, that's also because they're parted to the side. Anywho's. And over here, I always have to go turn it this way. And then come down here a little ways. That's more of a curl. Kind of. But do you see how it's not, though? Kind of just, I don't know, more of a wave than a curl, I guess. You know what I'm... It's more of a wave than a curl. That's basically what I'm trying to do. And if you don't like the way it looks, like, just redo it. It's really that simple, guys. It's really that simple. I don't know why this is being a pain. But that's what I do all the way around. Try not to miss any spots. Hello. And then I will put this over here. I don't know if it will burn the table, so I put it on my desk over there because I know the top of the desk won't burn. Grab some more hair, bring it down. I usually do all the back first and then do the front because it's harder to see. You can't really see what you're doing in the back. So the back out never ends up looking perfect, but who cares? I don't. People care that much. They cannot look at me. Right? You're like, if you don't like it, don't look at it. And sometimes some other hair will come down and just like that. Shorter hairs, I will just kind of curl the middle and let that be a curl, you know? You know what I mean? Do you? I mean, I wouldn't grab like a huge chunk of hair, but like something like this is fine. So that is pretty much how I do my hair. I'm going to continue to do the rest of my hair, and then I will come back and show you what I do after I'm done doing all these lovely curls. So I'll be back when my whole head is done being wave curled. Okay. So now that, here, let me show you the back. This is all done. I usually do this on second day hair. So then I take my dry shampoo. This is a Batiste dry shampoo original. Clean and classic. And I just kind of put it through my hair. Not that it needs like more volume, but it kind of loosens those curls a little bit. So they aren't like too curly. You know what I'm saying? This is supposed to be like messy curls, messy wavy curls, messy waves. I guess you could say messy waves. Maybe I'll probably name the video Messy Waves. Just like that. So it kind of, hold on. Oh, I think I made the cat mad. And just kind of rub that in. Boo and yeah. like so. So breaks up the waves a little bit. They're a little messier looking. Just like that. And that is it. I am done. That is how I do my messy waves. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, like, subscribe, notification bell, all that fun stuff I said in the beginning. And yeah, hopefully you will tune in. This week I'll be doing 3 videos. I have not decided what day I'm going to be putting out the 3rd video. It will probably be a last minute decision, so but there will be 3 videos this week, so hopefully you will tune into all of them. And I also hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye.